If you guys are looking for a outdoor plug for this spring, this summer, this fall, this is it for you guys. This is a Kasa Smart Wi-Fi outdoor plug. This works with my Apple phone, this works with Amazon Alexa, this works with Google Home, it works with Samsung SmartThings. It's really all you need in order to really connect devices when you are outside. It is IP64 weatherproof, and this is the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Outdoor Plug EP40A. And if you look in the back here, it's all secure within the Kasa application. And it gives you the ability to control your outdoor devices. Use Siri, use Alexa, use Google Assistant to control whatever you want to connect on here. Let's open up the box and see what is inside. So right away, you get a small little baggie here that has the anchor, and you can screw it inside of a stud or a sheetrock if you wanted to. And then you have the actual device itself. You have different plug-in buttons. It looks like you have plug-in 1, you have plug-in 2, which can press. And this here is a 3-prong outlet, just like that. And then you have the gaskets that plug up the ports. So you have 2 of them that way. And then inside the box you get booklets. Keep the socket facing down and then have it at least 12 inches from the ground, and then making sure that it is covered. So keeping the socket covered when not in use. So that's important. And if you ever need some help, you have some of the quick start guides. You have the instruction on how to do it. But that's what we're going to do today is we're going to test it out. We're going to set everything up and unbox it all. There's some more information in the back. It tells us that there is a 15 amp maximum load total, 1.5 horsepower motor. It tells the instructions on mounted vertically, 1 foot above the ground, and for outdoor use, make sure that you have this with a GFCI outlet whenever you are using this device. Here, operational temperature, this is important to know, negative 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. So it can go into extreme cold to not too extreme hot. So make sure that you have this covered up. That way, if it gets too hot, you want to keep your stuff safe. So now you guys can see my phone. It gives me all of my plugins that I have around my house, my Christmas tree plugin, my Dynatrap outside, bug trap outside. I have my stair lights when I have for Christmas, and now we're going to use the outdoor plug. I have it plugged in already. You go to the top part, which is the add. You want to add a new device, and then it's going to give you the ability for a smart plug. And what we have is the outdoor EP40A, this one right here. HomeKit Smart Plug 2 outlet. Click on that. We're going to hit next, allow, and then it's going to have the LED. Make sure it's checking where it's blinking orange and green. On my end, it's blinking orange and green. Hit yes. It's going to search for the outdoor plug. This might take a few minutes for it to establish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name my plugs. If you wanted to, you can add plug 1 or you can add plug 2, and you can name it when you are plugging things on the outside. So if I did plug 1 as plug 1, it looks like you have to name it, and you can just hit save. Plug 1's added, plug 2, you can just hit plug 2. And you can always rename these too. If you wanted to change it to something else, you can go back in the app and you can change it. Once when you're all done, hit next. And this is going to be, let's say, custom outside, because this will be outdoor plug. I'm gonna change to outside, and then congratulations. So it's going pretty quick. I have a pretty good internet connection at the moment. If you haven't watched my internet videos in the past where I have a whole new modem and a mesh router system set up, it's awesome. So now it's gonna be updating, and every time when I'm using the internet, browsing the web, it's going so fast. And here it is. We got plug 1 and plug 2 for the outdoor plugin. So I think the firmware didn't even need a firmware, it just needed to check. And after it did check, everything looks good on my end. You hit boop, boop. And what I'm hearing on my end as well is I'm hearing a click. So every time when I'm plugging or turning this off and on, I'm hearing a click over at the plugin. So I know that it is working perfectly. The new outdoor Kasa smart plug, the E40A edition, and then setting everything up. That way you guys know how to put everything all together for this setup. Let me know in the comment box on what you will do this spring, this summer, this fall when you get yourself a smart plug and what you're plugging that into. If it's outdoor lights, outdoor garden, patio lights, things like that, leave it down in the comment box below. I would love to know what you're doing with your smart plug outdoors. But until next time guys, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.